Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are continuing our series on the basics of algebra and we are learning to expand brackets. Now, to expand the bracket just implies that you open it up, you remove the bracket, multiplying whatever is in the bracket by what is outside of the bracket. Let's dive right in. Now, question number 1 says 2 into bracket x plus 6. Remember, I said expanding the bracket means multiplying what is inside the bracket by what is outside the bracket. So we have 2 times x, which is going to give us 2x, and then 2 times 6 is going to give us plus 12. Remember, 2 times x and then 2 times 6. You need to do both of them and write down your answer. We're done with that one. On to the next question. Question number 2. For question number 2, we have 2x into bracket x plus 2y. Remember, we have to multiply each item in the bracket by what is outside of the bracket. So we go 2x times x. That's going to give us 2x squared because we have x times x. All right? The sign is positive. And then 2x times 2y. The 2 multiplying the 2 will give us 4. The x by the y will give us xy. So our final answer here is 2x squared plus 4y. We can simplify further because these are not like terms. So we're going to leave them just like that. Moving on to question number 3. For question number 3, we have 2 into bracket 5 plus x plus 3x. For question number 3, we have 2 into bracket 5 plus x plus 3x. So remember, we open the bracket and then we'll need to simplify by collecting like terms. So 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. 2 times x is going to give us plus 2x. And then plus 3x. Please don't leave out the other term. All right. So we can collect like terms here because we can see 2x and 3x. 2x plus 3x is going to be 5x. So our final answer here is 10 plus 5x. We're done with that. Okay. On to question number 4. We open a bracket, 2y into bracket 5 minus 4y plus 4y squared. So 2y times 5y is going to give us 10y. 2y times 4x is minus 2 times 4, 8. Y times y, y squared. And then plus 4y squared. Now, if you look at this expression, we can simplify. We do have like terms. Our like terms are minus 8y squared and plus 4y squared. So our final answer here is going to be, yes, our 10y remains. Minus 8y squared plus 4y squared is going to be minus 4y squared. Now we're done. We've been able to expand the bracket and we have simplified our answer. Question number 5. Now in question number 5, we have 2 brackets. Not to worry, even if you have 3 brackets in one expression, it doesn't matter. You just need to expand each bracket as you go along. So the very first bracket here, we have 4 times x. That's going to give us 4x. 4 times minus 2, that is minus 8, minus 3x times 4. Note that there is a negative sign in front of the 3, so you have to do minus 3x times 4, and that gives us minus 12x. Minus 3x times minus y, that's going to give us plus 3xy. All right, so we can collect like terms here because I can see 4x and I see 12y. Those are the like terms there. So I can put them together. It becomes 4x minus 12y, minus 12x minus 8 plus 3xy. 4x minus 12x is minus 8x minus 8 plus 3xy. This is fine, or you could choose to rearrange them and have the term that has the double variable in front. It only looks neater and nicer. This is fine also. So rewriting this same expression, I could have 3xy minus 8x minus 8. I hope you understand what we've done here. We've not changed anything. We've only rearranged the way the terms are in the expression. Now for question number 6. We have 7 minus 2x minus 3 in the bracket plus 3x. Please note that you're supposed to open up the bracket with the minus 2 right here before you go ahead to collecting like terms or simplifying. All right, so we have 7 minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 3, that is plus 6, plus 3x. It's easy to forget the last term that is hanging. Please don't. Make sure you look through your work. When you have opened the bracket, confirm that you have not left any original term out. Now we can collect like terms. We have constants and we also have terms that have coefficients here. So we have 7 plus 6 minus 2x plus 3x. Collecting this neatly and nicely, 7 plus 6 is going to give us 13. Minus 2x plus 3x is going to give us plus x. So here we have it. We're done. You're asking for number 7. Yeah, I left that out for you to do. Please have a go at question number 7 and leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Guess what we're doing next? Factorizing. It is the opposite of expansion. Let's get there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.